and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transports, and happy 1st of May, Labour Day, or La Festa dei Lavoratori. And I'm celebrating it. I've not been working today, so good. Right, I had to do some paperwork for the Bus Association before some things, but that's volunteer work, it's not really work. Right, so we're going to celebrate the 1st of May by giving the final finishing touches, touch-ups to the Coopercraft Bedford ML at long last. And I'm actually doing this in daytime. It's 4:15. You can see I'm not working. Okay, so to finish things off, I'm going to give a spot of gloss to the number plates, just to give them a wee more metallic finish. And I thought let's do it together. Really, just a tiny film, huh? It will make the letters stand out better, and it will also blend the two-part rear number plate. You make it blend. So, and I'm also going to put a dab here on the tail lights, because last night I sort of picked out the tail lights. You see, 1 and 2. This is a scratch built part, because only the number plate, this bracket and number plate holder were provided by Coopercraft. So let's just quickly give the number plate a quick touch up. FYS 327. That's nice. And a quick dab to the tail light to make it more glossy, as a tail light should be. Okay. And a wee dab to the other tail light. This is already gloss paint, so we're okay. Now I remember that last night I'd actually touched up, I'd given a wee spot of paint here to it was a bit worn off here by gripping it. There. So we can say that now the Coopercraft 00 gauge 176 Bedford ML is officially finished. Here it is in all its glory. And let's see if we can maybe get a better view like that. Ah, there's more daylight. Wait a minute, I'll take these enlarging specs off or I'll go blind. And here it is. So I'm planning to make, as I told you in previous videos, a tiny windscreen wiper over here on the driver's cab. I'm going to try and make rear view mirrors, if I can get them fitted without causing disasters. I'll have a good look at some photographs, and we'll also the wee extra video where we fit the supports, the hoops under here to support the spare wheel, because now of course the spare wheel is only, I don't want to touch any paint, so I'm just going to take it from here. You see the spare wheel is just like that, and I think it would be nice with I'll just use the same 0.45mm wire that I used for the exhaust pipe. You can see the exhaust pipe, and there's even another small something really tiny, titchy small, which is the petrol filler cap. The petrol filler cap is actually on the top of the tank. I'll have a look at some photographs, but these are details that we'll do in between other jobs. So we'll still be seeing the Bedford. I want to put it on the layout. I mean, I need to use some trains. It's beginning to be. I use this paper tissue not to blow my nose, but to clean the brush. Okay, so this is the finished. We still have to do some small improvements. Bedford ML, and it's been a really very, very entertaining project for me. It's been challenging, I applied all the techniques that I've invented or I learnt from other YouTubers, and it's really very nice. Really a nice, very nice little model. Don't know if I would build another one. It would probably take me less if I built another one, yes, but this was really a very nice model. So, can't wait to see it with the other 00 vehicles on the layout, because we're going to have to be working to also finish the 90 by 100 small railway layout. I'm trying to finish it all in HO first, because I have more HO buildings, and then after I'll also make the 00 guys with slightly bigger buildings, and we've already spoken what can double up both in HO and 00, etc. Double up, you know. Okay, so that's that done. I really enjoyed it. As I said before, I'm repeating myself, I'm an old man, and I really enjoyed reading all your comments, and we followed me together, and we did this job together. We followed this big long project in all these months between Christmas and so let's say 5 months, more or less. No, more than 5 months. A bit above 5 months, because let's say that I had just started before Christmas, and I really got cracking, and I was doing it, you know, weekly updates. But in the last period, I just not having time to do work on the railway, I just said, right, let's put the foot down and try and finish this thing here. Okay, so that's that. Of course, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell. What else? And I like to read your comments. That's more than half of the fun. Cheerio, and see you next time. Ciao, ciao. See you next time with some running trains. That's a promise.